Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to fix a PlayStation 4 disc if for some reason it's unrecognized. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the main reason this may happen is usually because of the disc itself or because of your CD slot, and this is so basic as you guys can tell. So the first thing you want to do is look at your actual CD itself, and you want to see if there's any scratches on it, if there's a bunch of different things within it. If there are a bunch of scratches and it's just messed up and there's like things peeling off of it, there can be a lot of problems with this specific CD. Even if you just bought it or it's brand new or whatever, if it's scratched up, it's not going to work out well. So what you want to do, and all you really need to do, is go ahead and do your best to clean up around the specific disc. So get some type of microfiber cloth, clean up as much as you can around the disc itself, and try reinserting it and see if that works. Most of the time, this should end up fixing anything you really need to, mess with the disc itself. And most of the time I've ever had any issues with it, this is typically what ends up fixing it for me. Now let's say that specific thing doesn't work. The next thing you may try to do is try updating your PlayStation 4. There are some cases, and it's not every single day, and that's not every single disc, but some discs out there can actually go ahead and are relied and tied to specific software versions of your PlayStation 4. And if you're under a certain, software version, a game that just came out may not work well or may be unrecognized on your PS4. So as long as it's not a CD slot error for your specific device, all you want to do is try your best to update your specific PlayStation 4. So go inside of your settings and try to update it. Make sure you have enough, storage on your device to download the update, but make sure you also have, Wi-Fi and all that stuff connected. And this is honestly one of the most important things you can do here, and this should end up fixing the issue as well. Now ultimately, if none of those things ended up fixing it, you want to try some other disc, try another, game if you have it, try another Blu-ray disc, whatever you can, get your hands on whatever you can and try to update your specific PlayStation 4. As I mentioned, there can be a lot of cases where a simple update or a simple disc swap can go ahead and fix it, so try inserting a different disc and see if that fixes it. If it still doesn't work here, I'll probably recommend contacting Sony and having them take a look at it, but it should be fully working now, and that's really all you have to do. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else of every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.